Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable classroom notifications. So let's start. First, open the Classroom app. Now tap on three bars on top left corner and go to Settings. Here you will see three notification settings. If you disable email notifications, you will not receive any notification on your email. Now tap on Class Notifications. You can turn off notifications from a specific class from here. Now let's go back. Now tap on Device Notifications. If you disable Show Notifications, you will not receive any notification whatsoever. You can also fine-tune as per your preferences. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.